All right, guys, today what I'm going to be doing for you is something very, very special. I'm going to be reviewing for you the top 5 DeFi apps out there. Now, the Web3 space is growing hugely, all right? So be aware of what's coming new, but also what is still working. All right, guys, I'm going to show you the top 5 that I use. Let's get straight into it. After this disclaimer. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Number 1, guys, is Uniswap. All right, Uniswap is probably my favorite protocol out there. You can swap, earn, and build on the leading decentralized crypto trading protocol. There's over 1.8 trillion in trade volume, 236 million in all-time trades, over 300 integrations, and over 4,400 community delegates. It's a huge growing network of DeFi apps, guys, all right, over 300 plus. It gives you access to everything. Developers, traders, liquidity providers participate all together in financial marketplace that is accessible to everyone. Okay, guys, this is a really, really unique app to use. Whether it is you're just trading, or whether it is you are just trying to buy some of the next 100x meme, all right, it doesn't matter. Whatever you want to do, you can use on Uniswap. So this is something that you should always keep on the top of your list of DeFi apps that you should be using. Now, let's move on to number 2. Number 2 is Arbitrum, all right? Arbitrum Orbit is absolutely insane. And it is the future. I say future, it is now of Ethereum. Okay, you can actually bridge to Ethereum on here. It's incredible, guys, what is going on. So if you want to get on with Arbitrum, all right, this will take you to the next level. This will take you to the next layer with Nitro, right? Making Ethereum most inclusive and sustainable. Nitro is the most advanced blockchain scaling technology in the industry. So the ecosystem here, guys, is absolutely huge, right? You've got the Arbitrum Rollup, the Arbitrum Orbit, and the Any Trust. The Rollup is where you can scale your decentralized applications with a fraction of the fees. The Orbit is where you can actually launch your own chain into the Arbitrum Orbit, which is very, very cool. I have an integrated universe, customizable chains that settle for Arbitrum 1 or Nova. And of course, the Any Trust is probably the most popular out there, right? Powering the next generation of apps with Any Trust chain, the high security solution for gaming and social projects. All right, guys, there's loads of news about Arbitrum all over. So this is, again, something to put in your list of DeFi apps that work and are absolutely incredible in the Web3 space. So do not forget to keep using it. And then Solana, guys. What can I say about Solana? Not only did they come in after Ethereum by the NFTs and blow it out the market, all right, guys, but they also are an incredible ecosystem altogether. People kind of forget, because the NFT world, they forget what Solana can really do, but it is hugely powerful for developers, fast for anyone, all right? It's bringing the blockchain to the people and supports experiences for power users, new consumers, and everyone in between. Guys, Solana is not just this, oh, I want to buy cheaper NFTs than Ethereum. That's not that. That's a stupid thing to say. Okay, Solana is huge. If anything, it's better for NFTs than Ethereum now, right? There's over 29.7 million in fees paying accounts all the time, 340 million NFTs plus minted, and a median fee per transaction, if you compare this to Ethereum, is absolutely insane. It is less than 0.00064, all right, guys? Absolutely insane. Now, made for mass adoption, it's fast, decentralized, energy efficient, scalable, all right? It is designed for real-world use, okay? There's loads of different case studies you can see, Boba Guys, Homebase, Hivemap, all right? If you want to use your business for building for growth in the Web3, Solana is that DeFi system that I use. Next, guys, Optimism. This is a less popular one than Solana, but actually probably more beneficial to most of us, okay? It's a world that benefits all but owned by none, all right? Now we want to build together, benefit together. The Superchain is a vision of composable, unfilled network of blockchains that can support internet-level activity, powered by the MIT licensed open source OP stack. So it deployed on the L2, all right? So you can deploy your own chain to occur sequence, deploy the app, join one of the fastest growing EVMs out there, and you can contribute to the OP stack as well. It is a super chain ecosystem that is growing super, super fast, all right? Whether on Base, Fractal, Mode, OP Mainnet, Redstone, Zora, or, of course, the chain that you decide to launch, all right? It's got Farcaster, which is a protocol for building centralized social apps, Synthetic, Rainbow, and, of course, MetaMask, which is some of the apps that are on the super chain. It's very trusted community and league governance. Like I said, people probably don't mention this as much as they do Solana, but it's just as powerful. And last but not least, guys, Avalanche, all right? AVAX is incredible. You can actually create without limits, like it says here, build anything, I mean, you want, and any way you want on the Lightning fast scalable blockchain that won't let you down. Choosing the wrong blockchain can kill your dApp. Guys, that's true. I've made projects in the past, and using the wrong blockchain completely destroyed my dreams of having my own token, for example. All right? Before it's ever even had a chance to succeed, but it doesn't have to be this way. Launch with confidence or Avalanche. Avalanche is incredible, and they really do suck into the factor of helping you build the way that you want to build, all right? As the advanced tool, you need to accelerate the idea to launch. So guys, make sure you do your own research into Avalanche as well, but that is the 5th one on my list. There you go, guys. Very, very excited about everything in this video. If you liked it, let me know in the comments which is your favorite dApp. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, the bell to be notified, and I'll see you next time.